Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to all this series of videos in which we are building up a system that will generate your questions, which you can put to the students or audience to attempt multiple choice questions, MCQs, what you say. So these are we were step by step. We are proceeding towards the finalization of the system. In previous video, we showed you that this bit image are now they have now started from going from this as a logic sheet to the database sheet as a in multiple choice question, right? So and there were certain manual things which we were doing, and we told you that we won't be doing it manually; it will be done automatically. So today's topic is the which choice should the system take randomly to be uh, the right answer, right? Because if you have in mind the answer, the system has got on the actual answer. So where should it put in which choice? There are four choices. So it should do it change it. It means it's not that if it decides choice two, then all the questions right answers are coming on choice two. So that will not serve the purpose. So the algorithm will be discussed in this video that will ensure that the system will randomly do this exercise of distributing the answer, placing your answer into the four choices, sometime on the choice number one, sometime on choice number four, sometime on choice number two, and sometime again choice number two, and means randomly. Okay, so let's start. And I have put a break in the system where we will do that part of in which the system does the randomization of the choices, right? So let's go to this which will bring up the dialog box, yeah, in which you choose the which file to take. You see, these all are the database friendly files in which you have the quiz and the database. So we focus on the latest file, right? So it is now it has opened the file, fair enough, and now we proceed back in here and we go to proceed, right? So it will start picking this images and putting them into the database. So it has taken the first image, it has got the answer 4.45 rightly, and it has placed it into the rightful position. It has taken it has placed the answer rightly. It has placed the chapter and question in the right column, and it has decided the right answer should come on as a choice number three. Okay, it has decided. So let's see why. What made it decide it? So this is the algorithm, thanks to the Stack Overflow. It's a very nice source of VBA code, and there are certain sample codes available, and a good forum for the programmers to learn from them. So they have given me this formula. I have commented it. It is in a descriptive manner. So this how uh, you get an you have the two numbers. One is lower bound, the other is upper bound. Lower bound is one, choice number one. Upper bound is choice number four, right? So using this guide, we are using this variable offset. We give it any name. Which offset do you want? That is choice. Okay. So I have used it because I'm using the column offset. That's why I have named it offset. Okay. So from D column, if offset is one, then it will mean to place it on E. From D column, if it is meant to two, so F, it will go to F. That's right. Okay. So it has decided the three and with the help of this function. This is the lower bound, one, and the upper bound is four. Then you have a minus, and then this is the lower bound, as in this guideline, lower bound. Then you add one to it, right? And then you multiply it with a R and D function, right? It's a VBA function that randomizes it and plus one. So this is going to get you an integer of the number what you get. Okay, so then this time it is taking you to the three, right? If I remove the three, let's do naughty thing. Let's this one we have deleted it, and we want to see it happening, right? So we take this execution right from here, and we say it do it again, and we want to see it. Okay, Okay, and it will stop. It will not go run away if we click. Okay, so let's see where does it take. It's taking to choice number 4 this time, right? And if we remove this as well again, Alt F11, right? So this time it is taking you again choice number 4. That's right, random. It may take. Okay, and this time it is again taking you to the choice number 4. Okay, and what if I ask it to, right? It is keeping on doing it. It is stuck on choice number 4, right? And if we remove this and we do it again, let's start from here. It puts the answer and this and then coming. This time it's just taking you to choice number 3. Yeah, choice number 3. We remove this, Alt F11, and we say do it again, please. Okay, this time it is taking you to choice number 2. Choice number 2, right? So this is how and this is how we make the algorithm for the distribution, uh, giving the equal chance to all the choices, and let the system decide that which choice it wants to be the right answer. Okay, so this is the way which we do. Now, what about all the wrong answers? These have to, also, while putting the wrong answer, we will make sure that it should be also a random number, but that should not be equal to the right answer, right? So now we will proceed to where we want the random number to be generated, which must not match the right answer for all the blank choices. So let's do this one thing, and here we manually put some numbers, say 5 point, say, yeah, 5.15 and say 4.25, 4.25, and what? And we say 3.99. So this exercise will be done automatically too. So for this, we are doing it just to see how our question is displayed in the quiz. So let's go to the quiz, and don't worry about this. This will get resolved au- automatically. Okay, so first we have to uh, get out from this stop mode, and we will double click on it. That's So these are the questions. These are ready for our attempting. And the last of the question is the one which we would like to see how it plots it. So this is the question. Yeah, 4.45 was the right answer. And all the questions are appearing in here. Value of x is 4.45.